Welcome to Real Estate Unlocked, your questions, our answers. On this channel, we talk about insider secrets every home seller needs to know. And in this video, it's all about how would I know how to price my home? And the question is from Jared. Well, this is my favorite tip of all time, and that is don't allow your home to be on the market past the 30-day mark. I call this the 30-day rule, and we activate this rule by pricing your house right away. So as we look here, you can see there's a grading curve. We know statistically that a house will sell within 2 weeks of being priced right, so that's your best marketing strategy. See the top of the graph? That's the 30-day mark, and that's your sweet spot. As agents, we do a lot of amazing things to bring exposure to your home, but you also have the authority to set the price and change it so that we can sell before that 30-day mark. Here's what the banks do with their foreclosed properties. They do incremental price adjustments until the house sells every 2 weeks like clockwork. It's very non-emotional and very logical because they know that a house will sell within 2 weeks of being priced right. So if your house does stay on the market longer than 30 days, and sometimes in a buyer's market with an overabundance of inventory that can happen, then be prepared to do price adjustments until the house sells. Be like the bank. Keep the emotions out of it because this is all about getting the most do-re-mi in your pocket. Remember, a house will sell within 2 weeks of being priced right. We don't want it to sit on the market. If you remember nothing else, remember this. The best marketing, here we go, the best marketing in the world will never sell a house that isn't priced right. Let me say that again. The best marketing in the world will never sell a house that isn't priced right. Yes, timing can make a huge difference when it comes to selling your home for the most do-re-mi, and we don't ever want your house to sit on the market for more than 30 days because a house that's priced right will typically sell within 2 weeks of being priced correctly. So that's your tip for today. Thank you for joining Real Estate Unlocked, your questions, our answers. My name is Remy, like Do-Re-Mi. I'm an award-winning designer, a best-selling author, and a top-producing real estate agent who's worked across 4 states. If you have a question for the team about your loan, the escrow process, what repairs to do before selling your home and what not to do, staging, tips for selling your home quickly, or how to put more do-re-mi in your pocket when you sell your home, my team is standing by. Simply leave your question in the comment section or contact us through the email below, and we'll get you an answer typically within 24 hours or better. And we look forward to chatting with you soon.